Hi, in this video I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC with keyboard and mouse. So if you want to actually play Brawl Stars, which is actually a phone game, what you can do is you can head over and then download an Android emulator. Search for Android emulator on your browser and then you can see in here some Android emulator option like BlueStacks, LD Player, Nox Player, and all of these things right here. So I recommend you to use this BlueStacks. Just head over and click on this link. And then after you have done that, it will open the BlueStacks website. Click on this download BlueStacks 10. And then after you have done that, as you can see, this will actually download it right here. So once it's done download, then just double click this one in order to actually install it. So let me head over and click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, just wait for it to pop up because it may take some seconds for it to actually show. So here's my BlueStacks. Make sure to enable virtualization. So click on this option right here in order to enable it. And then once you have done that, just continue installing this one to your actual system. And then after that, click on this install now and install it. So this is how you play Brawl Stars on PC. I hope this video helped you out.